Did you know the iconic Croquembouche, that towering masterpiece of cream puffs, was almost banned in France? Legend says its elaborate design was deemed too extravagant during times of austerity. Have you ever heard of a bleeding heart cake? This Victorian-era dessert features a shockingly realistic, almost gory red filling that oozes from the center. It's both beautiful and disturbingly delicious. What would you do if your bread started moving? Apparently, in some ancient cultures, moving bread was considered a sign of good fortune or perhaps a sign that you need more yeast. And here's the twist. That moving bread, it might have been a clever way to hide secret messages. The yeast could rise and fall, revealing hidden writing. Want to learn more about secret messages hidden in food throughout history? Subscribe to Slay 00 for more culinary mysteries.